In front of me is HTC Desire 21 Pro, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup on this phone. So at first you need to open the settings, then find and select System and click on Backup. Now just mark this switcher to activate Google Backup, and it's time to add your backup account. To do it, just click on Account, wait a couple of seconds. Meanwhile, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, as otherwise it will not be possible. And now just enter your email address or phone number and click on Next then. And now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And here it is. And as only the password is entered, just mark Next. And here you can read Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. Just mark on particular info and then you will be able to read it. And if you do agree with all the terms and conditions, just tap on I agree. And then click on Accept to confirm your selection of the Google Services settings. And you've just activated Google Backup. Congrats! Your backup includes apps and app data, call history, contacts, device settings, and also messages. Tap on OK then, and now you can smoothly use your phone with no worries that you will lose your data. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.